All right, y'all. This is a homework question at 2.4. This is question number 7, and we're trying to find the equation for f of x. So let's look at a couple of things. First off, they tell me it's a linear function. So y'all, since it's a linear function, we're going to be using our y equals mx plus b, okay? Now, the other thing I wanted to point out, y'all, the way they've given us the values like this, just as a reminder, my friends, let's take a look. The first one here, f of negative 2 is negative 1. That means that when x is negative 2, y is negative 1. And f of 5 equals 2 means when x is 5, y is 2. So let's do this, y'all. Let's call this x1 and y1. Let's call this x2 and y2. And let's use our slope formula, y'all, to find the slope of the line through those points. Okay? So we're going to first say y2 is 2, minus y1, which is negative 1, and then x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is negative 2. But remember, y'all, these are both now going to become positive. So our slope, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay? All right, we got the slope of our line. Now, remember, y'all, we can pick, second thing we're going to do, we're going to come back to our y equals mx plus b. Okay, that's what we're going to try to do next. Now, we can use one of 2 points. We can use either this point here or that point there. And y'all, I think I want to use my point 5, 2. So what I'm going to do is, thinking about this equation right here, everywhere I have the letter y, I'm going to plug in a 2. Everywhere I have an x, I'm going to plug in a 5. And where we have our m, we're going to plug in our 3 over 7. Okay? So we're going to say y, which is 2, equals m, which is 3 over 7, times x. Y'all, I'm going to think of that as 5 over 1 plus b. So now we have 2 equals, let's go straight across. 3 times 5 is 15 over 7 plus b. I'm going to do this on my next slide, y'all, just so you can see what I'm doing here. So 2 equals 15 over 7 plus b. So, y'all, a couple of things we can do here. If you don't want to work with the fractions, let's do it like this. Let's think about those guys being over 1. And let's say, look, let's multiply everything by my common denominator. My common denominator, 7 times 1 over 1. Okay? And, y'all, I'm going to go really slow. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 2 times 7, 14. 15 times 7, let's see, 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 more, 105. 7 times b, 7b. Okay. Now, my bottom numbers stay the same. Okay. So 14 over 1, still 14. 105 divided by 7 should just be 15 plus 7b. Okay. So I'm going to minus 15 on both sides. Okay. So right here, y'all, 14 minus 15 is negative 1 equals 7b. So when we divide both sides by 7, we get negative 1 over 7 equals b. Okay. Now remember what we said. Wasn't our m something like 15 over, what was it, 5 over 7 maybe? Let's come back. 3 over 7, sorry. Our m was 3 over 7, all right? So now, y'all, if we're going to write out y equals mx plus b, we can just write y equals 3 over 7 with an x minus 1 over 7. Okay? Boom. And we're done. If you got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.